Hi angels, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing. This month we have a more rectangular box, which means there's a product in here that's a little bit bigger than usual. So instead of the box being a little bit more square, it's a little bit more longer. So this month's box is called Make Waves. Obviously, I kind of picked in here to see what makeup I can do off camera. That way we can get it together. So let's go ahead and unbox this box. Be sure to join me. If you have the same box, please leave me your comments down below. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit the post notification bell. And be sure to give it a like if you end up liking this kind of content. So, the first thing in this box that I do see is the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Cleansing Foam, Gentle Bubble Cleanser. So it is a daily conditioning gel cleanser, gently but effectively cleanses the skin and dissolves makeup. It has oat amino acids, while the vegan formula with apple extract, vitamin E, green tea extract bubbles up to deep cleaning and remove impurities, soap, fragrance, and something else. And this is supposed to be all skin types approved. And this is $28, 5 ounces in this bottle, whatever. And then I'm gonna go ahead and quickly put the clip of me doing the cleansing and sharing with you guys what is on here. Hi everyone, so I just am editing this video right now and I wanted to go ahead and film the part where I wash my face, but I wanted to let you guys know that this is the third time that I've been using this cleanser and it's really good. It has left my skin very soft and nice and kind of like feeling moisturized. It doesn't feel restricting or like those cleansers where your skin feels like you need extra moisturizer because it just cleaned out everything in a harsh way. So I really am enjoying this cleanser. I think it works really great. For the price, I think it's actually pretty good. So if you have it, I like it. Let me know what you think down below. And it takes off makeup perfectly. So the next thing in the palette, it is a Alamar Colorette Blush Trio. I was able to get the Fair Light one. This is what it looks like. It's the Alamar. If you guys don't know what Alamar is a brand by Gabby. I love Gabby so much, and this is what the trio looks like. This one is Castaway, Paraíso, and Scorcher. This is super nice. There's 8 grams of product in this one. My sister also does have the Boxycharm box, and she's a little bit more tanner than I am, and this one has the shade Seclusion, Isla, and Toasted for the more tanner ones. So that one is medium to tan. The only difference that I've seen from my sister's box is that she didn't get the next product. She got 2 bodyography brushes, and then her lip color was a Not a Dose of Colors liquid lipstick. This is the Morphe E4 brush, and I'm gonna take the color Paraíso, because why not? It's a little bit more. I'm gonna take a little bit of Scorcher, just to blushen me up. I don't know if you can tell the difference already, that my face looks more full, more lively, more awake, more fresh, and more blended now that I have blush on this side. It looks pretty dang good. And the Alamar palettes are $22. In my box, I received the Mellow Brow Definer, and this does not have any shades, and this is very similar to the it just fell out. Anastasia Brow Definer. This is $18, and it's non-greasy. Well, as you can see, it's very as you can see, the tip is very angular, but I don't like that it's easily broken, so we'll see. And this doesn't give me a shade of color, so I'm gonna quickly do the brow area. So here is what that brow ends up looking like. It's not about color for me, I just feel like it's a little too bulky. Okay, so now that the brows are officially done, yeah, Ciate London Eye Luster Cream Shadows. a long-lasting shimmering eyeshadow that's metallic, glittery, and could be used as sheer sparkle or applied over an eyeshadow topper. And since the color that I received was the color Cupid, this purpley, pinky, golden shimmer. It says like glitter, so I'm assuming that it's not very pigmented. So I'm just going to quickly throw on some eyeshadow on my eyes. I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette, and it's going to be something básico. 2 brushes, and we're good. Okay, so I'm going to apply this color. I'm going to do it like in this way of like a cut creasy kind of moment. Let me just see how like... I'm gonna quickly kind of tap out the edges. Maybe? Okay. Let me do this other eye, and then we'll put on some quick lashes, and I'll be right back. We are back, and we have applied lashes and diamonds. Ding! I'm kidding. I apply a little bit of highlight. Last product for the Boxycharm box this month is a Dose of Colors liquid matte lipstick, and mine is in the color Bittersweet. I do not have this color. I love Dose of Color lipsticks. I think they're one of my favorite formulas, period. And yeah, that's why I wanted to do more like reddish tones. Beautiful. How pretty. Oh, how boy. Okay, I have quickly applied the Bittersweet lipstick. It is a matte lipstick, but like I said, I have a lip mask underneath, so it may look a little bit more of a satiny finish. That is this entire month's box for the month. I am so excited. I am very happy with this month's box. Overall, I give it a 9 out of 10. I would have given it a full 10 for this month, but the eyebrow pencil did break. It was pretty nice. The color match was pretty good, but it did break, and I don't think it should have been broken. And I kind of had to finagle my eyebrows a little bit more today than usual, but I did end up loving the rest. I love the eyeshadow. I think it's such a pretty shimmer, and it's not purple like it looks like. It's like a nice gold, which I'm a fan of. The lipstick I love so much, and I love the blush palette. I think the blush is definitely one of my new favorites because it looks so beautiful. Yeah, so I will definitely test this out here soon. But this is this month's box. Hopefully you guys had a very good similar experience as I did. Please leave your comments down below on what you got in your box this month. And yeah, are you guys going to get Boxy Lux next month? Let me know down below. And yeah, I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye!